Most people see a finished floor and think about the resin. What they don't see is the multi-million-dollar engine behind it. Welcome to the XPS Nerve Center, a 90,000 square foot campus where high-stakes logistics meets a 20-year legacy of excellence. In this trade, reliability is the only currency that matters. Ask Easton Duke in Amarillo, Texas. He'll tell you that when his clients needed more durability than the big names could provide, XPS delivered. Even halfway across the country, our freight network ensures that distance is never a barrier to quality.
I've got a ton of contractors that come in the store that I work with normally. You see the DIYers every once in a while that come in and want to try it out themselves, and having the training and everything to send them to is amazing, Send them through that and then, go do your own floor. And if you want to bust to the side and bust some side jobs out and everything, you can do that. Just working with those main contractors, really, working them through jobs and questions and concerns, quotes, everything of that matter. So
the main contractors are coming in, like before they bought from you or knew that you existed, where were they buying their materials from?
So a lot of people were getting them from Pompano here, just getting them shipped in, freighted into the house.
Okay.
We really didn't have a distributor close. I have some guys that were using the Sherwin stuff. Cheap stuff, obviously, we know. So got them switched off of that into our
Getting
stuff.
product to Texas doesn't happen by accident. It requires a relentless commitment to the details. As warehouse manager, Santiago has spent 20 years perfecting the flow of this operation. He knows a facility is only as good as the people inside it, which is why every member of this team is thoroughly vetted.
Okay, I'm Santiago Alvarez. I've been with the company for 21 years, and I run the warehouse with Eloy. From the beginning of the day, what we try to do is try to keep the safe being of everyone that works here. We have 20 employees, 35,000 square feet of warehousing. Seeing somewhere around maybe 8 to 10 containers a week. We have about 80 to 100 pallets a day going out. So as you can see, it's kind of hectic sometimes. We'll have to be running a lot just because we want to guarantee customer satisfaction and get products on time, so customers can start producing right away. It is complicated, as I say. We have to be managing all these people, but we really think with every single one of them, the process of selection has been very rigorous. We have got some of the best guys that we got gotten for the team. So right now we have structured the warehouse in 3 different departments, you can say. We have a receiving department. We have what is UPS, the small parcels. We have the truck division of it, which is all the bigger shipment. All the 3 different departments isolate one another, so it allows a little bit more space for moving around. Because even though we have 35,000 square feet of warehouse, still kind of tight sometimes, just because of the amount of product is coming in and going out at the same time.
To keep this machine running, you need movement. Troy is the heartbeat of our operation, spanning 3 massive hubs. At the center of it all is our 35,000 square foot main warehouse, the core of our logistics and small shipping. Combined with our 2 other facilities on campus, we maintain 90,000 square feet of dedicated epoxy storage. As Troy says, moving between them is cardio with a bit of lifting.
Well, we have 3 major warehouses. We probably have 90,000 square foot of warehouse space. If you think about that, that's insane. So we have to keep our main product in the main warehouse, and then we disperse it and distribute it to the store, to the other warehouse, to the customers directly. Huge operation nonstop. It's like cardio with some.
What truly sets us apart is the atmosphere. When you ask Willie and Brandon what they love most, they'll tell you everything. It's that mini family culture that defines the XPS floor. It's a brotherhood of veterans and experts like Lonnie, who have dedicated years to mastering this trade. When you have a team that truly cares about the product and each other, speed and safety aren't just goals. They're a standard of excellence.
So how long you been working here?
About 13 years.
13 years. And how were you introduced to the company?
My wife.
So with that being said, once you started working here, I said, because you guys are all almost family, I would say. Everybody loves each other, singing and whatnot. So what's your favorite aspect about coming into work? Work. They say if you love what you do, you'll never work a day in your life.
That's the key.
So you feel like you never work.
It's a gym.
Gotcha.
Everybody pretty much been working here. long enough to understand everybody's personality to where we all get along.
Okay.
You know, it's the best way to explain it, like a mini family, man.
Yeah, man. But I've been here only 3 years. This year be 4 years.
3 years.
Four years.
And what would you say your favorite part about here working at the company?
Oh, I like everything.
Everything.
Yeah, I like to learn everything, something new every day.
This family culture was built from the top down. XPS founder Christopher Lavin in JJ, owner of our Amarillo and OKC locations, recognized that we are only at the beginning. As JJ toured the campus, the scale was undeniable. Seeing the sheer volume here in Pompano has set a new benchmark for what he's bringing back to Oklahoma and Texas.
We are here at Xtreme Polishing Systems Pompano. We are up in the mezzanine today, and we have a special guest with us today. His name is JJ, and he is one of the proud owners of XPS Xpress store in Amarillo and also one in Oklahoma City. So welcome.
Good to be here, Chris.
You know what? Everybody comes in here. They're always fascinated by seeing all the people moving around with the forklifts and all the traffic and all the wonderful equipment and the wonderful material that we have, right? You came in 4 years ago.
Yeah, about 4. From day one, I mean, just, finally got here, took the class, had my wife with me, and a couple of my guys have done worked for my construction company, and been wanting to get into epoxy. After taking the class, I was like, man, we don't have anything like this in Amarillo. I mean, a store, I was like, well, let's open one.
Here's a man firsthand that has 2 stores now, right? He's going to be opening up a 3rd, and he's a great person you can track knowledge from, right? Because you're going to share the good and the bad, right? I share the good and the bad with everybody. I'm saying it's not always, a pot of gold at the end of the rainbow you just go and grab. Like, you got to work to get there, right? There's a lot of ups along the road.
There is, absolutely. I mean, just even coming to the warehouse, looking and, a lot of the products that we don't have in the store, then we're like, we need to keep some of it. I'm like, I need a bigger store.
The consensus is clear. The epoxy trade is still in its infancy. It's a multi-million-dollar industry on the verge of an explosion. And as it grows, this campus will remain the blueprint. From our Pompano Beach hub to the expanding frontiers in OKC and Amarillo, you're in good hands. Because at XPS, we aren't just shipping epoxy. We're fueling the future of the trade, one pallet and one family at a time.